What actually happens inside the uterus during orgasm? Do the muscles contract? Does blood flow change? And most importantly, does any of this affect the baby? Let's break down the real physiology step by step. Orgasm isn't just a local event, it's a coordinated neurological and muscular response. The brain triggers a cascade of signals through the autonomic nervous system, activating multiple muscle groups, including those in the pelvis. One key hormone released is oxytocin, which plays a central role in muscle contraction within the reproductive system. During orgasm, the uterus undergoes rhythmic contractions. These are short-lived, involuntary, mild to operate in intensity. They are fundamentally different from labor contractions. Labor contractions are sustained, coordinated, and progressively intensifying. Orgasmic contractions, on the other hand, are brief pulses that fade within seconds to minutes. Sexual arousal increases blood flow to the pelvic region. During orgasm, there is a peak in vascular activity, followed by gradual normalization. However, the uterus is not isolated. The placenta continues regulating oxygen and nutrient exchange efficiently. So, despite temporary changes in circulation, the fetal environment remains well controlled and stable in healthy pregnancies. Alongside oxytocin, the body releases endorphins. These chemicals promote relaxation, reduce stress perception, create a sense of well-being. From a physiological standpoint, this is a regulated, beneficial response, not a harmful one. Does this affect the baby? This is the most important question. In a healthy pregnancy, the contractions are too mild and brief to cause harm. The fetus is cushioned by amniotic fluid. The placenta maintains consistent oxygen delivery. At most, the baby may experience subtle rhythmic movement, similar to other everyday maternal activities. There is no evidence of distress in normal conditions. However, context matters. Doctors may advise caution if there are risks of preterm labor, placental complications, cervical insufficiency. In such cases, even mild uterine stimulation may need to be limited. So the key variable is not the event itself, but the medical condition of the pregnancy. So what happens inside the uterus during orgasm? A brief sequence of contractions, hormonal release, and vascular changes, all tightly regulated by the body. In a healthy pregnancy, these are temporary, controlled, and non-harmful. If you haven't watched the first part, Inside the Womb, What Happens to the Baby During Sex, start there to understand the baby's perspective. Together, these two videos give you the complete scientific picture. That's all about today's video. If you found this video fascinating, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.